Yo, it's your boy Me 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, man, I hope y'all woke up feeling blessed, feeling amazing today, man. I know I did. I got a lot of stuff done today. I've been slacking a little bit. I know I've been slacking, and that ties into today's video, man. Today marks the day that I'm going on semen retention. It actually started yesterday, but I'm making a video today of me going on semen retention today. And I know I've been on nofap. I know I talk a lot about nofap, the porn addiction and stuff like that. And I'm I think on my 6th or 7th day of nofap streak. I feel like semen retention is really the way to go for me, because even though I'm not watching porn or masturbating and doing PMO and stuff like that, I still was having sex. I still was indulging in fornication, adultery, and all that. And I want to be completely free of that for at least 30 days starting right now. And I also want to do that. I want to build it into my lifestyle of not doing it as much. Let me move this camera a little bit. It got a little bit dark, but yeah, I really don't want to be doing it that much, because reason being is it distracts me. It distracts me from so much things. And prime example of me being in my Discord, doing my calls with people, me posting consistently on my videos, just a whole bunch of stuff like that. Like, my channel is all about self-improvement, and right now I feel like I'm not really improving. And I know with any journey in self-improvement, there's ups and downs. It's not a steady road. It's not a straight up to the top. I know it takes, there's gonna be a couple downfalls and things like that. And I'm realizing that sex and sex and releasing my seed is not good for me, man. And I realized that I really just don't want to do that, man. And it's causing a lot. It's causing a lot, man. Because this is the TMI, but every time I get done having intercourse with somebody, I guess you get that post-nut clarity, like I said. And me, I'm a very open person, so I'm only having sex with one person, and we're building to be in a relationship. And when I tell them that I have, that, they think it's dumb. And I don't want them thinking that it's dumb. It's never the girl. It's not, for me, it's never the girl. It's not, me feeling just disgusting in the girl and not liking the girl. It's really just because I just wasted my, seed, on her, not inside of her, to create a kid on which it's intended to be. And in nowadays culture, like, it's the hookup culture. Everyone wants to have casual sex and do things with a whole bunch of people, and just it's not right, man. We normalize it so much. The world runs on sex now, with the sexy red, with the talking about degrading ourselves and thinking it's cool to have all these females and stuff like that, and all these hoes. And nah, man, I just never been the type to have hoes. And when I did have sex with people, I would have to have a connection. That's why I can't have sex with multiple people. I would have to have a connection to actually have sex with them. And for so long I was like, dang, I want to have sex, I want to lose my virginity. Finally lose my virginity, boom, it's not as good. Then I had the problem of me not being able to get hard or finish or going soft with girls. Then I'm like, oh, I want to solve that problem. I solved that problem now. Like, when I do have sex, it's now I solved the problem of the porn ruin my life, and me not doing me not sorry guys, I'm having a brain fog right now. Me not being able to finish with a girl. Now I'm finishing with the girl and stuff, but now it's a new problem arising where I just feel like shit afterwards, bro. And it's kind of the same feeling, not necessarily, but it's a little bit of the same feeling that you get once you masturbate and watch porn, and that bad feeling. But it's like I said, if any girl's watching this right now and this came across your timeline, or you're just a guy and want to send this to your girl, that, like, it's not child. It's really not child. Like, if we're having sex with child, it's not child. It's not your fault. It's nothing. It's just, it's a spiritual thing, bro. God says in the Bible not to commit adultery, not to have sex outside of marriage, man. And soul ties are real. Soul ties are very, very real, man. And that's why they say don't have sex outside of marriage. And You know, like I said, if you're a guy watching this or a girl's watching this, it's not y'all guys' fault. It's just when we release our seed and not using it for what it's intended for, just releasing it in a condom, or just releasing it and wiping it off, but not releasing it inside of the girl to create another being, we're gonna feel like crap, bro, because that's our energy. And I was reading something that semen fluid has spinal fluid inside of it, and it's our life source. It's like a chakra. I'm not too informed on the chakras or anything, but it's like, it's our life force, bro. Like, that can create another human being. That is half of me going inside of half of another girl, half of a girl, another human being, to create another being, bro. Like, that is so powerful, man. And when I was on semen, when I did that long streak, that 30-day nofap streak, I was about, what, 2 to 3 weeks in, and I was doing semen retention as well, because I didn't release at all. But then I did have sex. So it's like, even though I was doing a nofap, I still had sex. But now I want to do strictly semen retention. I'm not releasing my seed at all, because in those 2 to 3 weeks, I felt powerful, man. I could talk to people. Girls were attracted to me. Like, all the benefits are real, bro. Like, and like, yeah, there's no benefits to nofap, but there are way more benefits to semen retention, because nofap is semen retention, but semen retention is not nofap, if you get what I'm saying. Like, during nofap, you're not watching porn, you're not masturbating, you're not orgasm. That's still semen retention. But semen retention is you're completely removing all sexual desires, everything. And like I said, I felt so much stronger when I was holding in my seed, when I, you know, and I was getting a lot done. Like, and I just have, like, I made a video on masturbation causes bad luck. Y'all go back and watch the video. I'm gonna put it right up here. But yeah, man, I feel like I get good luck when I'm on semen retention. I feel like I get good luck when I'm not wasting my seed, because I'm using that sexual energy and turning it into a powerful go get it mentality energy. You know, when animals want to have sex, they have to go out and fight other males to fight over a girl, transmute that testosterone energy and fight for it, and then they get to release it and get the good feeling, and you know, create a kid, create another being, create offspring. But they had to work towards that, and they did it, and they worked towards it, and they did it for their purpose that it was intended. You see dogs out here humping and stuff like that, but like, we're humans, man. We're still mammals, but we have more sense than that. You don't see deer out here, you know, doing stuff, just taking their arm going like that, or I don't think they could do that. But like chimpanzees, yeah, there's a few videos here and there where they're doing that, but they're not doing it a lot, bro. Like, you know, because any organism is, we don't have to be taught about sex. We automatically just do it. But we were taught about masturbation. We were taught about watching porn. We were taught about all that, bro. If you put somebody on an island, and if you take a kid and grow him up on an island, I guarantee you he's probably not gonna know about masturbation, especially if nobody tells him. But he's gonna learn about sex eventually, because he's just like, you get that feeling, if you get what I'm saying, man. We're not taught sex. Animals aren't taught sex. It's our natural instinct. But it's our natural instincts to have sex to make an offspring, bro. You know, why do you think animals have a breeding season? They're not just having babies at any time of the year. They have a breeding season for the offspring to survive. Deer have a breeding season in November, because the gestation period will make the deer have their babies in springtime, when there's food, the weather's warmer, there's cover, so, you know, it's a whole bunch of green everywhere, so the baby can't you know, get caught, can't get easily found by predators. You know, there's cover and stuff like that. It goes deep into it. So I'm going off a little bit off track right now, man. But yeah, like, I really want to lock in on this, man. If y'all want to go on this journey with me, I'll encourage y'all. I encourage every man should go on semen retention at least once in their life, man. And not just once, at least once, just to see how much it affects you, bro. And these 30 days, yeah, they're gonna be hard, but you know, hard things make an easy life. Easy things make a hard life. Remember that, man. I just want y'all to see the changes in the videos, that how locked in I'm going to be, man. You know, I'm not gonna be wasting all my energy doing sexual things and releasing my sexual energy. I'm gonna be putting this energy back into my videos, back locked in with y'all, man, because that's what really matters. That good feeling, that 5, 10, 15 second feeling, that good feeling, and then the rest of the day feeling like crap, bro, is not worth feeling like that, when I could do a little bit of hard work or a lot of hard work and live good, bro. If I put all my energy into these videos and consistently make videos like I was doing back in the past, I'm going to blow up, bro. I'm going to, and when I say blow up, it's not just, oh, I want all views and stuff, because like I said, views are just numbers, man, and numbers mean nothing. But I want to inspire a whole bunch of more people, bro. I want, even if 1,000 people see this and start doing the semen retention, that makes me feel good inside, bro. You know, I really want y'all to see how much I changed, how much, like, my skin has cleared up a lot, but I want y'all to see how much my skin changes. I'm gonna retain muscle mass, because after I do it, after I have sex or masturbate or just release my semen in general, I feel like crap. Like after I had sex the other day, me and the person went to the gym and I just felt so weak, bro. Like I was just not weak. It was a okay workout, but I had to force myself to work out, but it wasn't a good workout, if y'all know what I mean, man. And like I'm gonna eat healthy, not eat the fast food that I was eating a lot. I'm going to be going to the gym way more, doing my YouTube, locking in on what I have to do, man. Like I really want to be locked in, and like I said, it's gonna be hard, but I want y'all to join with me, man. I want y'all to join. If you're a female watching this, I know y'all don't have semen, but I want y'all to not. I want y'all to go in this month of celibacy with me and see how much your life changes. You know, because females, y'all need this too. You know, lock into what y'all have to do, because sex is just a distraction, another distraction that the world and the devil is bringing us, man. And I also want to get back closer with God again. It's real hard to get close with God when you have the demon right here and angel right here. The demons, this is temptation and this is a test. You know, God won't give you temptation. They only give you tests. The devil is always going to give you a temptation. You know, so I really want to be locked in, start going to church again, because we can't do this alone, man. Whether you're religious or not, you cannot do this alone. You need God. God said that we're powerless without him. So we have free will, but in the end, he's the one that actually gives us the power. So yeah, man, I don't know if I really missed anything. I just want y'all to see how much I changed in these next 30 days and how semen retention is going to change my life, man. I'm calling it right now. It's going to change my life. It's going to change my life. It's going to change your life too if you start today. And don't say, oh, I'm going to get one more out. I'm going to get one more out. Or I'm going to call up Lil Shorty, get one more out, and then boom, start tomorrow. No, start today right now, bro. Start today. And you know it's going to be hard for us men. It's going to be hard for us men in general because we're just men. But it's going to be hard for us if we don't have a girl, because then we're going to be watching porn. Or not, we're not going to be doing that, but we're going to be tempted to watch porn. And if we have a girl, which in my current state, I am talking with somebody, I am building a relationship with somebody, it's going to be hard because boom, got a girl, you know? And I can't put myself in predicaments where we can have that, but it's like if Valentine's Day is coming up. I know it's gonna be hard. I know y'all gonna be like, oh, it's an excuse, let me just do it. No, bro, don't do it. There's other ways that y'all could, you know, do things without having sex, bro. Valentine's Day is about love, not lust. Having sex is not love, that is lust. So yeah, man, it's gonna be hard. Like I said, it's gonna be hard, especially because I got a girl right now. I'm getting rid of the porn, but now that I got a girl, it's gonna be hard, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna stay locked in. Gym, eating healthy, getting my mental health right, and the gym helps with that as well. Consistent on my purpose in life, which is inspiring y'all and being in my trucking school, about to get a new truck job, man. It's just becoming closer with God, man. I really want to get close with God, and I don't want to just say it. I really want to do it. And if y'all feeling the same way, man, let me know. But I know it's a little bit long video. I just wanted to give y'all a little bit more, because I've been slacking these past few days. But I'm locked in now. I'm locked in. So today is February 6th. Remember, I started on February 5th, but we just gonna start today. February 6th, 2024, Semen Retention, day 1. Let's get it, man. I love y'all. Stay motivated, stay blessed, stay disciplined, and stay distraction free. And don't be busting them off, man. I love y'all. Gang.